This is today's job. Removing this leaning beech. Looks like a big chunk of it has snapped out in the past. I think it's quite badly decayed, even though the top is healthy. There's a lot of decay around the buttress, and the decision's been made to remove the tree in its entirety. They're not interested in retaining any of it. So unfortunately for us, these shrubs, or bushes, whatever you want to call them, rhododendrons mainly, got to be retained. So we'll try and set up a traverse and actually run the branches and logs across into that opening. We'll use two lines on the dual bollard. One will be the actual running line, and then a second line to control the speed that the loads run out on, and to also hold back the pulleys to me. It's not a huge tree, but it's there's a few hefty limbs up there, and like I say, it's this shit, it's these bushes that are going to hinder us. Perhaps we might be able to just selectively prune some of them, just to give us a bit of room. I can't even fell the trunk at the end of it because of this path. So well, we'll see anyway. So yeah, so we could park our chipper down here somewhere and just run all the limbs across, hopefully, and land them round about here. We can chip on site and all the logs are staying. So this is the setup we're going to use in the tree. The yellow line is the running line, which will be tied off to a ground anchor, and the grey line is the control line. And these two rigging blocks will be set up in the tree at a high point. One that'll be the running line just below the slide line. It'd be nice to have one of those rigging plates to attach everything together, but I don't have one. But this will do fine for the job at hand. I hope it doesn't rain. Doesn't look like it. And to attach the limbs, we'll use these dead-eye slings. The good thing about these is that you're not limited to a fixed length like you are with loop slings. So you can tie a limb off up here or down here, and it's just more convenient. So I'm going to have two of them on, so because there'll probably be opportunities to take two branches or logs at once. I'm going to leave this setup out, so when the lads get here, I can just talk it through with them, and then we all know what to expect. just happened to drop a few pieces down this back side because a few of the low bits, because they won't make it through otherwise. Yeah, go on. Okay. Let him go, Andrew! Just let him go, don't stop him! Yeah, just let him go!